Hello, thank you for joining me today. Today I will be showing you how to use a virtual classroom. This is something you can share with your students. For how to use a virtual classroom, first you will come to the top and you will click Present, and it will come to the screen for your students. You could have as many slides as you would like. For me, I just have one slide that I made. So this says how to use a virtual classroom. So let's go to the classroom that I created. So here's my classroom, and it just says time to read. I made this really quick for another video, but what you will do is once you get to the virtual classroom and you have clicked present and it comes to this, then you will click around the classroom. And you can make your classroom as detailed as you would like. I have another video that I have made showing a virtual classroom that I created last school year for the 2020 school year, and I would love for you to go check that out. But I added lots of slides and added slides for every subject that I was teaching for kindergarten. And you could do that as well, or you can make it as simple as you want. This is a very simple slide with only one page to it. But for this one, I just made time to read, and I have a book, a teddy bear, and blocks. And I added a Bitmoji with me sitting on the side. So I will click on the book, and you will teach your students this. Click on the book. It will take them to the website. Once they get to this website, they are to sign in and do the activities that you have planned. So for Get Epic, I used this with my students and they were able to read books. There were books that I assigned for them to read. My students did an amazing job during quarantine. They read almost 300 books. I was so proud of them. So once they get finished with that website, click the X and they'll return them back to their classroom, virtual classroom. So then they can keep exploring. You can have links added to any objects in the classroom. And I have one attached to the teddy bear. So when they click on the teddy bear, it takes them to the next link, which I have set up to be a nursery rhyme website. And they could go here, and you could use this, for example, if you wanted to do a weekly nursery rhyme for the week. For example, I teach kindergarten. So if you wanted to do a weekly nursery rhyme, you could go here and let them go to the rhyme for the week that you have chosen. When they are finished with that, they click the X at the top to return to their class, and then they keep exploring. This one has a blocks. They click on the blocks, and then it takes them to this website I set up where they can review their letters and sounds. So this virtual classroom is just one.
By 20.
This virtual classroom is just one that I set up for my students to use for kindergarten as an example. It's I'm just going to go back out. But once they go in, they always have to hit the X to come back to the virtual classroom. And that is just a quick how to use a virtual classroom that you could watch and show your students. They just click all around the classroom. And like I said, you can add as many objects as you would like to your virtual classroom, and you just add links. There is another video that I have made really quick to show you how to build a virtual classroom. And like I said before, you can make it as detailed as you would like, as simple as you would like. It's all up to you. And just have fun with it. You can add your Bitmojis, whatever you think of. It's really fun to do. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And we'll check out my others that I have made. And come back to see me soon. Take care.